Birds might often be seen as delicate creatures, but many of them are equipped with deadly features and fierce instincts that make them animals to approach with caution. Ever seen a bird with talons so strong they can crush bones like twigs? Or how about a bird that uses gravity as a tool, dropping bones from great heights to break them open? And if this is not enough, then there are birds that can even lift your children. Today, we'll show you 20 deadliest birds you should definitely keep your distance from. From incredible hunting skills to unusual feeding habits, these birds have adapted in some surprising ways. And by the end, we'll reveal a bird whose approach alone might make you reconsider your next outdoor adventure. So get ready, click subscribe, and let's jump right in. 20. Philippine Eagle. One look at the Philippine eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, and you'll understand why it's feared. With talons that grip with incredible force and a sharp beak, this eagle fiercely protects its nest. This predator has a wingspan that can stretch up to 7 feet across. Imagine that shadow sweeping over you. The real danger lies in its talons. They can exert crushing pressure, estimated to be about 500 pounds per square inch. That's like having a heavyweight boxer punch you with each claw. These eagles are apex predators, preying on medium-sized animals like monkeys, snakes, and even small deer. Anything that moves in their forest home is potential lunch. Their incredible strength and sharp hooked beak make them efficient hunters capable of killing and carrying off prey equal to their own body weight. 19. Eurasian Eagle Owl. The Eurasian eagle owl, a bird that might seem wise and mystical, but is also incredibly dangerous. With one of the longest wingspans among owls, it commands the night skies. But it's the strength in its talons that you need to watch out for. These can apply a pressure of over 300 pounds per square inch. That's enough to snap bones and render its prey lifeless in a matter of seconds. This owl uses its powerful weapons, sharp talons and strong beak, to hunt a variety of creatures. It's known to prey on mammals and birds, including larger game like foxes and young deer, demonstrating its prowess as a top predator. The Eurasian eagle owl's silent flight adds to its deadly hunting strategy, swooping down on prey before they even realize what's hit them. The risk to humans comes from the owl's fiercely protective nature. If you invade on its nesting site, the Eurasian eagle owl will defend its territory with vigor. 18. Lappet-faced vulture. This intimidating scavenger is not just big, it's bold. This vulture is among the largest and strongest of African vultures, equipped with a massive wingspan and a powerful beak capable of tearing open even the toughest hides. One of its deadliest features is its strong beak designed to break into carcasses that other scavengers can't manage. The lappet-faced vulture is a scavenger, which means it primarily feeds on dead animals. However, its aggressive nature and powerful beak can make it capable of attacking weakened or dying animals when food is scarce. This vulture plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by cleaning up carcasses, but its boldness can lead it into conflict with humans, especially when it ventures near populated areas in search of food. In regions where their natural habitat overlaps with human settlements, the lappet-faced vulture's fearless nature can lead to confrontations, especially if it feels its young or food source is threatened. 17. Harpy eagle. Switching gears to the rainforests of Central and South America, the harpy eagle reigns supreme. This eagle is one of the most powerful raptors in the world, with talons that can exert a staggering pressure of over 530 pounds per square inch. This immense gripping strength is more than enough to crush the bones of its prey, making the harpy eagle a top predator in its environment. The harpy eagle uses its incredible talons and robust beak as its primary weapons to hunt medium-sized mammals and birds, including monkeys and sloths. It strikes with precision from above, using its sharp talons to instantly immobilize its catch. They are known to aggressively defend their territory against any perceived threats, which could include humans wandering too close to their nests. For those exploring the deep rainforest, an encounter with a harpy eagle could be awe-inspiring, but also risky if they feel their domain is being invaded. 16. Giant petrel. Often called the vultures of the sea, giant petrels are aggressive birds that won't shy away from a fight, whether it's against seals or even humans. This bird might not win a beauty contest with its somewhat ungainly appearance, featuring a large body, robust neck, and oversized wingspan, which helps it dominate the harsh marine environment where it lives. Its most notable feature, however, is its impressive hooked beak, strong enough to tear through tough skin and muscle. Giant petrels are notorious for their aggressive behavior, particularly when scavenging. They can exert a talon pressure of about 300 pounds per square inch, allowing them to grasp. These birds are not just scavengers. They are also predators known to kill other seabirds and even attack weak or injured seals. Their size and strength make them formidable opponents, and their natural inclination to scavenge makes them unafraid to approach human camps or settlements, leading to potential conflicts. 15. Lammergeier. Ever seen a bird that can use tools? Lammergeiers drop bones from heights to crack them open. Beware of falling objects when these guys are above. This vulture is distinguished by its sizable wingspan, which can reach up to 9 feet, and its bright orange or rust-colored feathers around its neck, which contrast sharply with its otherwise dark and imposing figure. Its most deadly feature, however, is its method of consuming prey, using gravity as a weapon. They carry bones high into the air and then drop them onto rocky surfaces to break them into smaller, more manageable pieces. This technique also demonstrates the bird's talon strength, which, while not used directly in killing, is crucial for carrying heavy loads. These birds primarily feed on the marrow from bones, which they access by breaking the bones apart after other predators have left the scene. 14. Marabou stork. Imagine a bird that looks like it stepped right out of a prehistoric era, and you've got the marabou stork. This bird isn't winning any beauty contests with its bald head, scrawny legs, and massive wingspan that can reach up to 10.5 feet. But it's not its looks you need to worry about. It's what it can do with its powerful beak. The marabou stork's beak is long, thick, and sharp, capable of ripping apart flesh with ease. The marabou stork is a scavenger, meaning it eats mostly dead animals. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's harmless. This bird is known for its aggressive behavior, especially around food sources. It can become confrontational if other animals or humans get too close while it's feeding. The strength in its beak and the surprising skill of its long legs means it can fend off most challengers. 13. African crowned eagle. Now, meet the African crowned eagle, often called the most powerful eagle in Africa. With a striking appearance characterized by its prominent crown of feathers, this eagle is a formidable sight. It has a robust build with broad wings and a short tail that enable it to navigate through dense forest canopies where it hunts. Its talons are incredibly powerful, exerting enough pressure, over 530 pounds per square inch, to instantly crush the bones of its prey. The African crowned eagle is a true predator. It preys primarily on medium-sized mammals, such as monkeys and small antelopes, which it can crush the bones of its prey. The African crowned eagle is a true predator. It preys primarily on medium-sized mammals, such as monkeys and small antelopes, which it captures with a sudden and deadly swoop from the sky. Its hunting technique is brutal yet efficient, making it one of the top predators in its environment. For humans, the African crowned eagle poses a potential danger due to its territorial nature and powerful hunting capabilities. While attacks on humans are rare, they have been documented, particularly concerning small children in some rural areas. 12. Great horned owl. The great horned owl, a bird that commands the night with its impressive presence and striking features. This owl sports a set of large, tufted ears, intense yellow eyes, and mottled feathers that provide excellent camouflage in its woodland habitat. Its most deadly feature, however, is the crushing power of its talons, which can exert a pressure of around 300 pounds per square inch. This strength enables it to grip and subdue its prey effortlessly. The great horned owl uses these powerful talons, along with its sharp, curved beak, to hunt a variety of prey, including rabbits, raccoons, and other birds. Its ability to fly silently through the dark makes it a formidable predator that strikes with lethal precision. While typically shy of humans, the great horned owl can become fiercely protective of its territory and young. During nesting season, it has been known to attack humans who venture too close to its nest, using its talons as weapons. 11. Vampire finch. Don't be fooled by the name. This bird isn't into necks, but will give you a peck to remember if provoked. From the remote Galapagos Islands, the vampire finch is a bird with a rather weird diet that includes the blood of other birds. While its appearance is less intimidating than some of the other birds on this list, it's a small, rather plain-looking finch. The vampire finch is remarkable for its unusual feeding habits. It pecks at the skin of larger birds to drink their blood, a behavior that's both fascinating and a bit horrific. The vampire finch primarily feeds on the blood as a supplement during dry seasons when other food sources are scarce. This adaptation has allowed it to thrive in its harsh island environment, where food can often be hard to come by. While it doesn't prey on large animals or pose a direct threat to humans, its vampiric behavior is enough to earn it a place among the birds you might find unsettling. 10. Australian magpie. When you think of dangerous birds, the Australian magpie might not immediately come to mind. But during breeding season, this bird earns its reputation as a force to be reckoned with. Sporting a black and white plumage that's both elegant and distinctive, the Australian magpie is a common sight across grasslands, parks, and gardens in Australia. While it doesn't boast the talon pressure of larger raptors, its beak is sharp and its attitude during the breeding season is aggressive. The danger of the Australian magpie lies in its protective nature over its nest. Each breeding season, especially from late August to November, these birds become notoriously aggressive, swooping down at anything that comes too close to their young. These swoops can be surprisingly forceful, leading to injuries in passerby, particularly cyclists and pedestrians, whom the magpies often target. However, the Australian magpie preys on insects and small vertebrates, which it hunts skillfully on the ground. 9. European herring gull. Consider the European herring gull not just a scavenger of the beaches and coastal areas, but also a bird with a fearsome side. This large gull, with its robust body, pale gray feathers, and striking yellow eyes, is a familiar sight in many European coastal towns. The European herring gull's beak is not only strong, but also quite sharp, suitable for tearing food apart, which it often snatches with great audacity. These gulls are known for their aggressive behavior, particularly when it comes to food. They can exert considerable pressure with their beaks, which, while not quantified like the talon pressure of raptors, is significant enough to cause harm. They have been food and are particularly protective of their nesting sites. This protective behavior can lead to aggressive encounters with humans who might inadvertently come too close to a nest. 8. Red-shouldered hawk. These hawks don't play around when it comes to protecting their nest. They're known to dive at anything or anyone they see as a threat. With a beautiful mosaic of reddish-brown feathers on its shoulders and a tail marked by narrow white bands, this hawk is not only a sight to behold, but also a formidable predator. Its talons are incredibly powerful, exerting a pressure estimated at around 200 pounds per square inch, enabling it to grasp prey tightly and effectively. The red-shouldered hawk uses its sharp talons and beak as primary weapons to hunt small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Its hunting strategy typically involves watching from a high perch before swooping down to snatch up unsuspecting prey with startling accuracy. The precision and power of this hawk make it a master of its territory. While not typically dangerous to people, the red-shouldered hawk fiercely protects its nesting area. It has been known to attack humans who venture too close to its nest. 7. Striated caracara. Smart and confident, the striated caracara is a bird of prey that knows how to use its sharp beak and talons to get what it wants. Often found in the Falkland Islands and parts of South America, this bird of prey has a bold black and white plumage that gives it a distinctive, almost menacing appearance. It is known for its intelligence, which, when combined with its physical capabilities, makes it particularly daunting. The talon pressure of the striated caracara isn't as high as some of the larger raptors, but its strength is more than sufficient to handle its typical prey. The striated caracara is not just a scavenger, but also a predator. It preys on birds, small mammals, and insects, and is also known to feed on carrion. What makes it particularly dangerous is its fearless nature and willingness to explore human territories, especially in search of food. This can lead to encounters with humans, during which its boldness and sharp beak and talons can pose a risk. 6. Bald eagle. This impressive bird boasts a white feathered head contrasted against a dark brown body and wings, with a formidable yellow beak and piercing eyes. Bald eagles are large raptors with talons that can exert considerable pressure, estimated to be over 400 pounds per square inch. This allows them to grasp and carry off fish, which is their primary prey, with ease. While bald eagles predominantly feed on fish, they are also known to take birds, small mammals, and carrion. Their danger to humans is minimal as they generally avoid human contact, but their protective instincts can kick in if they feel their nests are threatened. Humans can be at risk if they approach a bald eagle too closely, especially during the breeding season or near their nests where the eagles may engage defensively to protect their young. 5. Secretary bird. Don't let the funny name fool you. The secretary bird can kick with deadly force when it needs to protect itself or stomp its prey. It is a unique bird of prey with an appearance as distinctive as its hunting tactic. Standing tall on crane-like legs and sporting a dramatic crest of long feathers at the back of its head, the secretary bird is unlike any other raptor. Its most deadly feature, however, lies in its powerful legs, which it uses to stomp its prey to death. Native to the open grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, the secretary bird preys primarily on snakes, insects, and small mammals. It hunts on foot, using its speed and agility to chase down prey before delivering deadly kicks with its long legs. These kicks are capable of delivering sufficient force to kill snakes, including the venomous species, and break the spines of larger animals. 4. Sarus crane. Venturing into the grasslands of India, Southeast Asia, and Australia, we find the Sarus crane, the tallest flying bird native to these regions. Standing up to 6 feet tall, this crane isn't just notable for its height, but also for its striking appearance. A graceful expanse of gray feathers, a vivid red head, and a long, sharp beak. The Sarus crane doesn't have talons designed for killing, like raptors, but its legs and beak are formidable tools. The pressure exerted by its beak can be substantial, enabling it to defend itself effectively or even attack potential threats with sharp pecks. The Sarus crane is generally a peaceful bird, feeding on plants, insects, and small animals found in wetlands. However, what makes it dangerous is its protective behavior during the breeding season. If humans or other animals venture too close to its nest or young, the Sarus crane can become aggressively defensive, using its powerful legs and beak to fend off intruders. 3. Snowy owl. Beautiful but fierce, a snowy owl is another example of avian majesty coupled with potential danger. With its dazzling white plumage that allows it to blend into snowy environments, this large owl displays a ghostly beauty. Its round, golden eyes and black beak give it a striking appearance that is hard to miss. The snowy owl's talons are particularly powerful, capable of exerting significant pressure to grip and kill prey, typically rodents, birds, and even fish. Snowy owls are dangerous primarily due to their territorial nature and protective instincts. During nesting season, they can become very aggressive towards anything that they perceive as a threat to their nests. The strength of their talons means that their attacks can cause significant harm to humans or other large intruders. 2. Southern Cassowary. Stepping into the dense rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, we encounter the southern cassowary, one of the most formidable birds on the planet. With its vivid blue neck, striking black body, and a helmet-like casque atop its head, the cassowary looks as though it belongs in a prehistoric age. This bird's most dangerous features are its powerful legs and particularly its long, dagger-like claws on each foot. The middle claw can measure up to 5 inches long and is capable of delivering lethal kicks with force enough to cause serious injury or even death. Cassowaries are primarily frugivores, meaning they mostly eat fruits, but they will also consume fungi, insects, and small vertebrates when the opportunity arises. Despite their diet, cassowaries are considered highly dangerous to humans, primarily because of their aggressive temperament when threatened. They are known to charge and attack using their powerful legs and sharp claws as weapons. You think this is amazing? Wait until you see the number 1. It will blow your mind. Number 1. Golden Eagle. And the top spot goes to the golden eagle. The majestic golden eagle is a sight to behold, unless it's coming at you with those powerful talons ready to grab. With its impressive size, broad wingspan, and striking golden brown plumage, this eagle is absolutely a breathtaking sight. But it's not just its beauty that demands respect, it's also its incredible strength. The talons of a golden eagle can exert a pressure of up to 400 pounds per square inch, allowing it to clutch and carry off prey much larger than itself. Golden eagles are formidable predators that use their sharp talons and powerful beak to hunt rabbits, marmots, and even large game like deer and goats. They are known for their ability to strike with astonishing speed and precision, swooping down on their prey from great heights. The reason golden eagles can be dangerous to humans is primarily due to their territorial nature. While attacks are extremely rare, they have occurred, usually in defense of their nests or young. And there you have it, folks. These birds might not be beautiful, but they demand respect and distance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating adventures